In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Forsaken on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Forsaken is available on all platforms where Roblox is available, so PC, mobile, consoles, and so on. To play on PC, open the Roblox launcher and look for Forsaken. Because it is an incredibly popular experience, it should pop up right away. It has 2.7 billion visits, so look for Forsaken by the Forsaken dev team, and you can either join a public server or create a private one. The gameplay loop is going to consist of killers and survivors. As a killer, it's your job to chase down all of the survivors and eliminate them one by one. And as a survivor, as the name implies, it's your job to stay alive and dodge the killer as much as possible. You will have different killers and different survivors to choose from. As you can imagine, each of them will have different abilities and stats that will make them excel at different things. You will start with Chadley Sky, Noob, and Elliot for survivors, and Slasher or Jason as the killer. You can purchase different ones by going over to the shop, and you will see the respective price, and you can see all of the information including skills here. And once you have them purchased, you will be able to select them during gameplay. You can change settings here, so there are a lot of settings to go over. I recommend this before you start playing. And as long as you join the experience through the Roblox player on any platform, you will be able to play. The gameplay doesn't change between platforms, so they are all going to be the same thing. You join and you will be able to play either as a killer or a survivor. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.